Welcome to Submit IT-11GAO Other Than Company video tutorial. This video will guide taxpayers how to submit an IT-11GAO Other Than Company return online. It will cover basic steps in order. Number 1. Access to Taxpayer online service. Number 2. Fill in the forms. Number 3. Submit return. Number 4. Search for submitted return in filing history. And number 5. View certificate. It will be easier to use if you find the time track of each step in the description of this video. To submit a tax return online, you have to access e-filing website with address as you see here. This is the official portal of the Income Tax Department of National Board of Revenue in Bangladesh. Register account tab gives you information how to get an account and password to file a tax return. Online filing tab is where you can submit a tax return to tax office. Company and other than company return are available here. Change password tab allows you to change password to log in online filing system. A new password must be different from old password, between 8 and 20 characters, has at least one character, one number, and one special character. Guideline tab contains necessary guidelines for you. If you need to find how to set up computer before filing tax return, click on Guideline Set up Taxpayer Computer. If you would like to submit return for other than company taxpayer, click this guideline. If you would like to submit company return, click this guideline. Contact Us tab contains office address, phone number, website address of National Board of Revenue. In order to submit a return online, you click Online Filing tab, then click here on this page. You need an username and password to log in. You must register them offline in tax office before. Now, input your username, password, and capture code here. Then you click Login or press Enter to sign in. You can see there are two tabs, Tax Overview and Filing. Tax Overview tab includes all your tax filing obligations with specific information like due date, tax type, income year, assessment year, and submission ID. Filing tab allows you to submit and search a tax return. Now I would like to guide you in detail how to submit an other than company return with salary and house property income. To start, you click Tax Filing of Tax Filing Obligation in List in Overview tab. For example, I submit an other than company return has an income year from July 2014 to June 2015. Here are 13 detailed forms of this return. Now I would like to show you overview about each form of this return. The form first page of main return includes all taxpayer personal information and some additional information to calculate tax. Salary contains detail of income from salary. House property contains detail of income from house property. This form contains detail of income from interest on security, business and professional, capital gain, and special income. And form Other Source contains detail of income from other sources. And this form contains detail of agriculture, share of profit in a firm, income of a spouse or minor child as applicable, and foreign income. And this form includes all information to calculate income, 82C, and presumptive income. And form Investment Tax Credit includes information of investment tax credit to calculate tax rebate. This form includes information of statement of assets and liabilities, page 1. This form includes information of statement of assets and liabilities, page 2. This form includes information of statement regarding particulars of lifestyle. Form Payment, second page. Furnished Documents includes table of tax deduction, a source, advance tax, tax paid on basis of return, adjustment of tax, refund, and statement of income. A main return is designed same as the form of tax return for other than company taxpayers in income tax rules. We start filling in other than company return with form first page, a main return. You click to choose this form and click Open button to open it. At this time, content of the form is displayed on the screen. In this form, gray fields are displayed automatically from TIN of taxpayer like name, national ID, TIN, circle, tax zone, assessment year, address, and unchangeable. You tick only one of two boxes, normal or universal self, to choose type of return. Self is disabled. If you are filing for the previous assessment year, please choose normal only. If this is a revised return, please tick into this box. This is your residential status from 18. However, you can change it as your latest information. This is your type of taxpayer from 18. However, you can change it as your latest information. This is information of your spouse, include name and TIN. It is compulsory to input your telephone number. Please note that every field with red asterisk is a compulsory field. Then choose type of taxpayer. You can choose either general, retarded, or Gazette War Wounded Freedom Fighter. And choose your location to calculate the minimum tax. This field is compulsory. And minimum tax is calculated automatically based on selected minimum tax area. After inputting all necessary information in this form, you can use Check and Calculate button to check if having any error. Then click Apply and Close button to save inputted information and close form. Now status of form first page of return is marked as processed. To continue, you choose Form Salary and click Open button to input information. This is your net taxable income from salaries. It is displayed automatically after you inputting information in Schedule 2 salary and you cannot change it. This is where you choose your group of employee. With each chosen value, the system will display a list of detailed type of employee. For example, this taxpayer works for a bank which is a private organization. And you input name of your employer or business here. And this is your type of deemed income for free, furnished, unfurnished accommodation. If you choose the first choice, amount of income, amount of exempted income, and net taxable income of this criteria in Schedule 2 salary will be 0. If you choose the second option, rent paid by employee will be 0. And if you choose the last one, you can input amount into field rent paid by employee. You can check this box or not. If you check this, table interest accrued on recognized provident fund is displayed. If you do not check this, the table is disabled. You can choose to check or uncheck this box. If you uncheck the box, amount of income, amount of exempted income, and net taxable income of criteria deemed income for transport facility will be 0. And this schedule allows you to declare amount income of payment and allowance, amount of exempted income, net taxable income is displayed automatically based on income tax ordinance. And I will input income from basic pay, conveyance, and house rent allowance. After inputting all necessary information in this form, you click Check and Calculate button. The system will display amount of exempted income and net taxable income automatically like you see on the screen, and the field Salaries is filled. Then click Apply and Close button to save inputted information. Now you can see status of this form is changed into process. To continue, you choose Form House Property Income and click Open button to input information. This field is your total income from house property, and it is automatically filled and unchangeable. You can choose to check or uncheck this box. If you check this box, it means that you have income from house property, so income from house property inputted in this schedule will be recorded in the main return. This table allows you to declare detail of income from house property such as annual rental income and claim expenses. From that, the system will support to calculate net income from house property. And you declare income from house property by filling in this table. And then you click Check and Calculate button to check error and calculate net income from house property. As you can see, this schedule is filled automatically based on your inputted information above. You can use Discard and Close button to reject all inputted information in this form and close it. And now you click Apply and Close button to save inputted information and close form. And you can see the status of form change to Processed now. To continue, you choose form IT-10B1 and click Open button to input information. This form is where you declare your assets and liabilities, and you can input information in this table. And after that, you click Check and Calculate and click Apply and Close button to save inputted information and close form. To continue, you choose form IT-10B2 and click Open button to input information. After inputting information, you have to tick on Verification box to ensure what you declare is true, and click Check and Calculate and click Apply and Close button to close form. To continue, you choose Form Payment second page Furnished Documents and click Open button to input information. This table allows you to input information about tax deduction as source. This table allows you to input information about advance tax. And this table allows you to input information about tax payment. For example, taxpayer, pay off tax payable. And I will fill this table with name of bank, name of branch, challan number, payment date, and amount. After inputting all necessary information in this form, you click Check and Calculate button. As you can see on the screen, all gray fields are filled automatically. And then you click Apply and Close button to save inputted information and close form. You can see Form Payment second page Furnished Documents has status Processed. To continue, You choose Form IT-10BB and click Open button to input information. Then click Check and Calculate button to check error and calculate. As you can see, the gray field is filled automatically. And after inputting information, you have to tick on verification box to ensure what you declare is true, and then click Apply and Close button to save inputted information and close form. While processing a return, if you want to save it as a draft, please use Save Draft button. By using this button, you can save return temporarily into the system without processing all its forms. In the next time, you can continue handling with it by using function Process Draft Tax Return in Tab Filing. In order to submit a tax return, please sure that all forms of return need to be marked Processed status. For remaining forms, which has not inputted information, you open it and click Apply and Close to change their status into Processed. And now I will open all remaining forms and click Apply and Close. Before submitting tax return, if you would like to upload related documents with return, you can use Add button. And the system allows you to upload various types of files such as Word, Excel, PDF, and so on. For example, I choose an Excel file and type title of this file and then click Upload. To submit return, please click Submit button and choose Submit. As soon as the system displays a confirmation with submission ID, submission date, type of return, total tax payable as you see on the screen, and you can use submission ID to search submitted return in the next tab. To print confirmation, please click to Print Confirmation button. This online filing system also enables you to file the submitted return by using tab Filing History. There are two ways to search an inputted tax return. The first option, search by tax type, tax form, and submission time period. You choose Other Than Company Form and click Search. And the second option, you also search submitted return by using submission ID, by inputting submission ID into field, and then you click Find button to search, and the system will display result in below screen. And by using tab Correspondence in tab Tax Overview, you can search certificates sent by tax officer, and please note that You only see certificate after at least 1 hour since you submitted return. To start searching, you input period of time when you submitted tax return, then click Search button, and the system will display certificate issued in that period of time on the screen.